If you're just starting a YouTube channel and you don't know what things to buy or you don't have a budget to buy any kind of good lighting, so here's the solution. So this is a light from unbranded Chinese company. It's called SL300 Mark III bi LED. So this light can give you everything, and it comes with 90 centimeter of softbox and a tripod. And the funny thing is, the price of this light is only 470 RMB. Now let's just compare the price of this light with some brand new Godox or Amran. The Amazon listed price of branded Amran and Godox is 429 and 589. And the prices in China are also way out of budget if you're just starting. So compared to brands, I just paid 7 times less to their real price. So let me do the quick unboxing, then I'll show you what's inside the box. So it comes with a really well built quality power cable to power this light up because it's 300-watt light. The ergonomics of this light is really well built, so it's easy to carry anywhere you want. At front, it also comes with the protective covering so that when you're taking this light outside, so it will be safe to carry. Now let's talk about the construction of this light. It's a solid metal with matte black finish. So backside it have two knobs which you can control the light, color temperature, and also the intensity of the light, and it also have an LED. Inside the circuit, it comes with the two cooling fans to cool down the internals. Alright guys, so the light is powered on, and the supplier told me that box have a QR code which you can scan with your cell phone, and the app will start downloading. After downloading the app, so you can control this entire light with just with your cell phone. So this is the interface of the app. I don't know if you can see or no. So the turn on or off this light is simple. Just press this button and it will just do its work. Now you can also control the brightness of this light from 100% to 0%, and it also has some presets. Like this is 100%, 75, 50, 25. So let's just put this light on 60%. And the color temperature, you can also it start from 2700 to 6500, and it has some presets too. It's depend your preferences or for why you're using this light. And this is a really fun and interesting feature. I never knew that lights can do this. So if you can see, this mod is called paparazzi mode, which you can change the speed or brightness of this effect. And this one is my favorite. It's called the fireworks, and this is SOS or candle lights or lightning. Like, oh yeah, it's working. The lightning is working. Or breathe, pulse. So everything is included in this light. You can control with the help of your app. So let's put this brightness on, I think 62%, or no, 50%. As overall, if we talk about it, this is a really well built light. According to the price point of this light, I think it's a well built. So alright guys, this was today's review. It was my first video. If you have any kind of advice, please comment down. What do you think, you should buy this light or no, if you would have chance to maybe come to China? And please like and subscribe if you want more videos. I have a lot of things to show you guys. Till then, bye, peace.